So let's take a look at the angle below. This is a right angle, which means it is 90 degrees. You're right. When you think of complementary, you should think of 90 degrees, or a right angle. Now let me show you what it means to be complementary. Complementary angles are angles that form a 90-degree angle, or a right angle. Now let's say this right angle was made up of two smaller angles, angle A and angle B. So because these two angles are complementary, angle A plus angle B would equal 90 degrees. So together they form a right angle. So we would write this as angle A is complementary to angle B. Now let's see how well you understand this topic. So let's say this right angle was divided into two angles, angles A and B. So let's say A is equal to 50. What will B be equal to? That's for you to figure out. So if A is complementary to B and A is 50 degrees, how much is B? So pause the video and see if you can figure it out. So the answer is B would be equal to 40 degrees. The reason is because since A is complementary to B, angle A plus angle B would equal 90 degrees. So 50 plus 40 is 90 degrees. Now let's talk about supplementary angles. They are very similar to complementary angles. So let's take a look at this angle. This is a straight angle, which means it is 180 degrees. So when you think of supplementary angles, think of 180 degrees, or a straight angle. That's all you gotta do, folks. Just like complementary angles are angles that form 90-degree angle, supplementary angles are angles that form a 180-degree angle, or a straight angle. So now let's take a look at this example. So let's say this one straight angle was divided into two separate angles, angles A and angles B. So because they're supplementary, angle A plus angle B would equal 180 degrees. So we would write this as angle A is supplementary to angle B. I know you're smart, so let's try this example. So let's say that we have this straight angle and it's divided into two smaller angles. Those angles are angle A and angle B. Let's say that angle B is 100 degrees. What is angle A? That's for you to figure out. So we're given that angle A is supplementary to angle B, and angle B is 100 degrees. So let's see if you can figure out what angle A is. So, folks, the moment you've been waiting for, the answer is angle A is equal to 80 degrees. Because angle A is supplementary to angle B, angle A plus angle B would equal 180 degrees. So 80 plus 100 is 180. Now let's talk about what we learned today. Complementary is 90 degrees. Complementary is 90 degrees. Supplementary is 180 degrees.